I can simplify an expression by combining like terms. So combining like terms, what we need to do is we need to find like terms are terms that have the same variable to the same power. So let's go through and find the like terms. I have 3x squared. Do I have another x squared? Yes. So I have 3x squareds and 2 negative x squareds. So 3 minus 2 is just 1 x squared. Now I've got a 2x. See if I have another x. Plus 8x. That's 10 of them. I have a negative 1. Do I have another unit? Oh, yeah, plus 8. Negative 1 plus 8 is 7. And, oh, I still have this guy. There are no other y terms, so it's just plus 3y. All right. When you're combining like terms, you also need to eliminate parentheses. So we need to perform the distributive property here. There are two groups of 7x squared minus 4. So if there's two groups of 7x squareds, that's going to be 7 times 2. There's 14x squareds. Two groups of negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. That's done. Okay. Next one, I keep getting progressively difficult. So I have 7 groups of 2x minus 4, and then plus 8. So if I have 7 groups of this, I need to use my distributive property. 7 times 2 is 14 x's. And then 7 groups of negative 4, which is negative 28. And then I still need to add this 8. Okay, you can't leave it like that. We need to combine like terms. So I have negative 28 and a positive 8. So, sorry about that handwriting. Negative 28 plus 8 is negative 20. And I still have the 14x. Okay. That is simplified. Okay, there's no like terms that can be combined. All right. Here we have 2 minus the quantity of 2x minus 9. Now remember, if we're subtracting this, there's a ninja 1 here. So when we distribute that, it becomes negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times a negative 9 is a positive 9. Now we need to combine like terms. We have 2 and a positive 9. Well, 2 plus 9 is 11. So I have negative 2x plus 11. Or if you prefer, it could be 11 minus 2x. Those are the, sorry about that. Those are the same answer. Okay. Don't forget the ninja 1. Okay, number 5. Ooh, this is ugly. So we have 3 groups of 4x squared minus 2. And we have minus 2 groups of 7x plus 2. So we're going to go ahead and distribute this 3 groups of 4x squared, 12x squared, 3 groups of negative 2, negative 6. Now here, this negative is attached to this 2. So I'm going to take negative 2 times 7x, which is negative 14x. And then I have negative 2 times a positive 2, which is a negative 4. Okay, just pause there for a second and make sure you understand that. That negative 2 is attached, or that negative is attached to the 2. So it's negative 2 times 7, negative 2 times 2. Now we combine like terms. So I have an x squared. There aren't any other x squareds, so that stays the same. I've got a negative 6 and a negative 4. Negative 6 and negative 4 is negative 10. And then I've got this negative 14x. Couple of common errors. People try to combine the 12 and the 14. They are not like terms. One is x squared, one is x. Okay. Some folks did 6 minus 4 and got 2. It's negative 6 and negative 4. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. You could write your answer this way or in that order. Either one is fine. Okay. Let's take a look at number 6. We have 4y plus 5y. It's 9. And I have a negative 1 and a positive 9. So that's going to be a positive 8. And that's it. Like terms have been combined. Okay, number 7. We've got a ninja 1 there. We got to get rid of parentheses. It's not simplified if there's parentheses. So our ninja 1 says -1 times 3x is a -3x. -1 times a -8 is a +8. Right? The ninja 1 just makes everything inside change signs. All right, this one, no one got this right, so I don't think I showed you how to do it, so don't feel bad. So let's see here. We have 4x times 2x. Well, that's 4 times 2 is 8. X times x is x squared. 4x times a -1, that's just -4x. And then I have -6 times 3x squared. It's going to be -18x squared. And then I have -6 times x, which is -6x. Just going to pause there for a moment. When you take an x times an x, it becomes x squared. Just like if you took 3 times 3, it becomes 3 squared, which is 9. Now we go to combine like terms. 8x squared minus 18x squared. So that's going to be -10x squared. And we've got -4x, -6x. That's -10x. Oops, sorry about that. And that is your final answer. Okay? All right.